Hey, good evening guys, and welcome to the video tutorial series. In this video we are going to learn a Verilog program of 2:1 mux and going to understand how a mux work. So a mux has two inputs. Let's 2:1 mux. That's A, B, Y. So if S is 0, the first line is connected. If S is 1, this is connected. It's that simple, right? So let us write the Boolean expression for this. So if S is 0, that is S bar, A is selected. S is 1, B is selected. Can you represent this in a logical diagram? What I mean to say is in basic gates. So what I need is one NOT gate. This is S, so here is going to be S bar. Here's that's your A, and this should be B. So that's like a pretty much simpler version of a mux. So here we have the select lines A, B, and the outputs. So let me just quickly make it more clear, and so that I can write a good Verilog code for you. So let me just draw it in a neat way. So give me a moment, please. So the main idea here is labeling the gates. So let's say I name this gates as A1, this as O1. So let's say this is out1. So name all the wires and gates, whatever you have drawn. I'm just drawing the same thing in a neat way. So here I have S. This is gonna be S bar. So this is pretty much it. So let's say this gives it N1. This is S0. The wire name is S0. So name the wires whatever. That's the main idea. So now let's write the structural code. I'm gonna teach you the structural code. So how do you write is, let's start module. The name of the file, that is mux underscore struct. It can be anything. So A, B are the inputs, and out and select lines are the outputs. Define the inputs, that is inputs A comma B comma S, output select. Alright, so we are pretty much close by. Now what we have to do is now define the wires that we have wrote here. So the wires are wire out1, out2, S0. These are the wires. Now simply just connect it. So now which is this gate? Let me just take a good color, so I'm writing the code for this one. So how do I write it? It's simply AND. That's an AND gate, right? Name of the gate you have given, that's A1. What is the output of an AND gate? In my case it's out1. What are the inputs to it? The S and B. That's it. It's so easy, guys. Similarly for the second gate, I'm gonna write it down. That's S0 comma A. Don't forget the semicolon. Similarly define the OR gate, OR1, and finally the NOT gate. Then end module. That's it, guys. This is pretty much it. So that's all about the Verilog program using structure.